Often without doing the analysis, it's hard to know where all the time goes for your property management team. And as a property manager, you spend a huge amount of time jumping around trying to get everything done in the day. And there's a massive amount of work. In fact, just for one maintenance task, there could be up to 65 things that you do on a given day. Now, the load on a particular property manager and all your property managers, regardless if you've got 2 or you've got 10 property managers, it doesn't really matter. You're doing about 45% of your total workload goes into maintenance. That's everything from communicating with tenants, communicating with landlords, following up on jobs with suppliers, all of those different activities. When you break it down, there's over 65 different things throughout all of the work you do with all the different people that you have to deal with and all the different stages of that activity or completing a job all the way through to invoicing. So that amount of work is what's taking up a huge amount of work and time. And moving around those activities from day to day across a multitude of properties is where all the time goes. Reach out to us at Rel and we'll show you how we've been able to save huge amounts of time for our clients around the maintenance process and a number of other processes that we use smart automation and really clever artificial intelligence to solve those problems while increasing your supply levels, or at least your performance levels around supplying these services to your clients. Have a great day.